LHS Weather Authority forecast with Austin Daigle.
Alright, good morning. You're taking a look from our Fort Supply cam right now, where it is hazy right now. Let's go check your forecast right now. Now here's something I want to show. Let's take a look at traffic real quick, because we got this winter weather. We could have some traffic issues. Nothing in Fort Worth right now. Not appears to be too many slowdowns here in Northwest Arkansas right now, but let me show you this. Most of our Northwest Arkansas counties are under a winter weather advisory. As you can see, this includes Washington, Benton, Carroll, Madison, Deleware, Adiar, Sequoyah, Latimer, and Haskell County. This may expand in coverage, but we're still going to watch because these expire at noon today, but they may reissue these. So here is what our satellite and radar shows. We do have some ice or sleet up here. We do have a lot of rain down here in the southeast part of the state. Right now our temperatures are it's 37 in Fort Smith, 34 in Poto, 32 in Fayetteville, and 27 in Bella Vista, and 50 in Mena. So you can see where that cold line is. We've already hit our highs today. Our highs were in the 40s. Let me full screen this for you so you can get a better look of what this looks like. We've already hit our highs. Now our temperatures today are going to be cooling off, and here is what this is what 12 hours looks like. Now the amount of ice from this is not going to be not too significant. We're thinking of let's just say a level 1 an ice storm. Now it's not an ice storm, but it's just a level, or it's actually level 2. So do have some traffic problems out there. Now let me go back. Now tonight, as you can see, our lows are going to be down in the 20s. Let me full screen this again for y'all so you can see clearly. Got some technical difficulties in the stadium. Right now, our lows tonight are going to be here in the 20s. Our lows are going to be in the teens for Northwest Arkansas. Here's what it looks like for tonight. We're going to have we could have some ice issues. We're going to keep an eye on that. Now our temperature, we should be hitting the freezing mark by midnight for us in the River Valley. We should be hitting the freezing mark in Northwest Arkansas earlier than here in the River Valley. Now by 3 a.m. we should be clearing up, and this is what our forecast looks like. Now our ice totals will, depending on where you are, if you're in the higher elevation or lower elevation, we could see about anywhere from a trace to 1/10 of an inch of ice. Most of the ice is going to be in Northwest Arkansas, but River Valley could see about a trace to about 2/100 of an inch of ice. Now here is let's see. Let me pull up this forecast map real quick and show you. I don't know if I can do full screen with this. Let me show you real quick. Alright. So as we go on through the day, nope, I won't be. So as you can see, what these ice totals are going to be. So let's see, here in River Valley could be seeing some trace. Up here in North Arkansas we could be seeing elevations, could be seeing about a little less than 1/4 of an inch of ice, but mainly just 1/10 of an inch of ice. Depending on where you are, it depends on how much falls out of the sky. This is what Futurecast looks like. As we go out today, we're going to keep an eye on this for you. We will let you know if this winter weather advisory expands, and we'll keep an eye on that for you. Now our 7-day forecast. Now here's our 7-day forecast. This is what 7-day forecast looks like. We could be running into some issues tomorrow morning if you're heading out to church. Some ice on the road. Our highs tomorrow are going to be cold. They're going to be in the mid-30s, but we will warm up by Monday, and we're gonna be warming up a lot upper 60s by Thursday. Then another cold front comes through Friday. This may bring a chance of it's mainly just going to be a rain event, which we need since we're in a period of drought. So that's all. So we'll keep an update on here. If anything changes, we'll let you know. So have a good morning and be careful on those roads tonight and tomorrow morning. Have a good day, everyone.